Hi folks, a new video today we will talk about Siacoin. The blockchain business has made the DeFi environment generally simple, as well as has likewise made different applications and information on the cloud gigantically simple to store. While the vast majority of the cryptographic forms of money zeroed in on just making the exchanges lightning quick and at negligible gas charges, stages like Sia, explicitly centered around conceptualizing a framework by which all arrangements and exchanges authorized with shrewd agreements are securely put away in a way that the information is accessible and easily available when required and at the same time using the unused extra room. We should investigate a profound presentation and Siacoin cost expectation for the following 5 years. Making a safe and trustless commercial center, the Sia project has given monstrous commitment to the decentralized distributed storage biological system, say supplanting the extra hard drive space. Established at first in 2014, Sia was authoritatively sent off in June 2015 by David Vorak and Luke Champine, who, along with Jim Pallotta, the financial backer and pioneer behind Raptor Group, formulated this remarkable foundation of Sia. Siacoin. Revolutionizing the crypto world. Sending off the local utility symbolic South Carolina, Siacoin remains as one of the huge supporters of DeFi space, giving intense contest to the business's biggest monsters like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, as far as distributed storage arrangement suppliers, and that too on cutthroat capacity rates in the crypto business. Records put away on the Sia network are separated into 30 scrambled portions, with each fragment transferred to an interesting host for overt repetitiveness. The arrangements among uploaders and hosts are recorded on Siacoin, South Carolina biological system, and authorized utilizing shrewd agreements. Subsequently, Siacoin becomes like an installment arbiter organization, with leaseholders paying hosts utilizing South Carolina and hosts securing South Carolina and savvy contracts as insurance on which Siacoin depends totally to store documents. In light of our Siacoin cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost expectation for 2027 is $0.0681. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 640.22%. In view of Redditor's Siacoin cost forecast 2022, the South Carolina cost would cross $0.012 before the current year's over. Besides, as indicated by our venture guidance, Siacoin would be a sensibly decent momentary speculation choice. Clients ought to put resources into the Sia stage's local digital money to harvest more benefits in the impending months. The Siacoin cost is estimated to reach $0.0134080 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $0.0167599. The base cost is $0.0113968. The Siacoin cost expectation 2022 is $0.0134080. Presently South Carolina exchanges around $0.0092 and South Carolina crypto cost expectation predicts that the South Carolina tokens have a splendid future in the crypto and blockchain industry. It will cross $0.01245 toward the finish of 2022, and around the primary portion of 2022, the Siacoin cost could hit its vital opposition level of $0.012. As per our Siacoin estimate, the South Carolina advanced coins would have arrived at another untouched high at 10 cents, which is around 50x its crypto market esteem at current costs. Siacoin has been showing a rising inclination over the course of the last year, and the pattern has gone on since early January. According to the most recent news updates of the cryptographic money market and Siacoin gauge, the symbolic cost might cross 0.02015. On April 17, the South Carolina cost crossed its past opposition level of $0.058 per 1 Siacoin. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the coin confronted a sharp decay. Afterward, Siacoin denoted a negative sign till the coin tumbled to its critical help level around $0.0096. Subsequent to hitting this help level, the coin cost recaptured its force, and toward the beginning of September, the symbolic cost crossed its prompt obstruction level of $0.025. In any case, after that the South Carolina coin again confronted dismissal and tumbled to $0.013. Afterward, the cost of Siacoin checked range-bound exchanging till date. In view of our future cost forecast 2022, the Siacoin cost is anticipated to cross 1 cent. Consequently, dealers and financial backers turn toward Siacoin for long-haul speculations. Siacoin price prediction 2022. In the wake of hitting a high of $0.029 in last December, Siacoin confronted sharp dive and afterward kept on exchanging under negative hold. There are cost expectations that Siacoin will check a significant cost recuperation in 2022. Pursuing the authentic information and its ongoing direction, it is clear that the Siacoin cost could hit $0.0124 toward the finish of 2022. The value development might dial back in the last part of 2022, yet the coin wouldn't confront any huge remedy. Siacoin price prediction 2023. Going by more limited and longer cost drifts, the main portion of 2023 may not be entirely ideal for Siacoin. In any case, it is anticipated that Sia-Live organization would acquire major areas of strength for a base in the crypto market during this time, and it might zero in on its security advancements. What's more, these elements will help the crypto to recover its lost energy. Clients ought to hold or put resources into Siacoin, as it would cross the $0.016 mark toward the finish of 2023. What is Siacoin future cost in 2030? As indicated by Siacoin Cost Forecast 2030, the cost of South Carolina will stretch around 21 cents by mid-year. The Siacoin, South Carolina cost estimate expects the cost of Siacoin, South Carolina, to show up cost activity, moving to the greatest cost of 29 cents by December 2030. Is Siacoin a wise venture? The transient Siacoin, South Carolina, cost expectation estimate the coin to exchange around a normal cost of $0.014 by 2023 and will rise 122% the ongoing cost by the start of 2024. Henceforth the token is without a doubt a productive venture decision later on. Where could I at any point purchase Siacoin? At the present time, you can purchase SIA at the business's biggest digital money trades, including Binance, Huobi Global, Upbit, and OKEx. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange SIA, you should move your computerized resources for that particular trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. Does Siacoin offer total secrecy for all exchanges? SIA upgrades protection for clients by encoding shipper, sum, and beneficiary information inside single signature exchanges distributed to its public blockchain record, explicitly for exchanges including safeguarded addresses. Could Siacoin reach $1 by 2025? Siacoin has a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will manage the crypto space one day. On the off chance that the potential gain cost pattern proceeds, the coin will for sure cross the $1 mark soon. Is Siacoin South Carolina a decent purchase? Indeed. Siacoin is a wise speculation choice. The South Carolina cost is dependent upon instability like some other digital money. Bullish South Carolina value forecast makes certain to prompt hopeful purchase.